Today on Nicko's Kitchen.
These Cheerio chocolate bars will keep you coming back for more and more.
We're making my Cheerio chocolate bars.
So first of all, just into a large bowl, I'm going to be placing in some Cheerios. And I love these in these sort of dishes. They're so simple to use.
The Cheerios I'm using today are only sold here in Australia, but these bars will taste just as delicious if you use yellow box or honey nut Cheerios.
The main thing is the oats are the main ingredient, and that's the flavour we're after, and of course the texture. And I love these because they're not over processed. Like I said, they're simple to use and it's a great source of energy. Now to the Cheerios, I'm going to be adding in some unsalted peanuts. And again, that just gives it more texture. And I'm also going to be adding in beautiful bursts of sweetness in these sultanas or raisins as well. So just go ahead and give this a good mix around. Get all those ingredients combined. So this is our dry mix done. We're going to put this to one side and get started on the wet mix. So just into a saucepan over a medium heat, I'm going to be adding in some honey. Also going to be adding in just a few pinches of some brown sugar. And lastly, I've got some smooth peanut butter as well we're going to pop in there. Now I just want to melt this down, melt the honey, the peanut butter together. Should take about 2 to 3 minutes over that medium heat. Just keep stirring it, don't let it burn. And this is what we're after. Beautiful and smooth, it smells amazing. So we're going to turn the heat off now.
Pour the honey mixture over the Cheerio mix. Stir through really well and then place into a square cake tin lined with baking paper. Now, melt your milk chocolate in the microwave, being careful not to burn it. Pour over the top of the Cheerio mix and spread evenly. Now place into the fridge for 1 to 2 hours to set. Slice and serve. Now all we have to do is get stuck into this bad boy.
So like I said before, I love using Cheerios in recipes. So simple, they taste amazing, the texture's fantastic as well, and these bars are just amazing. The flavour of them is just incredible, that peanut butter running through there and that chocolate on the top. And you can use any chocolate that you want to, like I said, but in any case, give these a try. They're going to become one of your favourites to make. So simple to do, just make it. You're going to love them.